and flattens out the two halves known as flukes, generates powerful thrusts which propel them through the water. Now, here's a fun question for you. Do dolphins have belly buttons? What do you think? If you think they have belly buttons, let's see you pat your bellies. See some belly cats flying out there? That's right. Just like you, me, and most mammals, dolphins have belly buttons. In fact, a dolphin's belly button is a reminder of their time as a calf when they're connected to their mothers through an umbilical cord, just like human babies. And that's not the only thing they share in common. They also give live birth. And like all mammals, mother dolphins produce milk to feed their young. So even though dolphins live in the water and we live on land, we have so much in common. For instance, we both need a healthy environment in order to flourish. So considering the challenges dolphins face is crucial. For Pacific white-headed dolphins, the vast ocean isn't just water. It's their home, vital to their survival. Now, they're up against two major challenges in these waters. As the ocean's temperatures continue to rise due to climate change, Pacific white-headed dolphins may need to search for food in new places for different times, making it difficult for them to get enough to eat. They also face dangers from plastic pollution, like getting caught up on fishing nets and eating plastic by accident. So, here's some ways we all make a difference. The biggest step we can take is to speak up. We can urge our leaders and policymakers to prioritize measures to help slow down the devastating effects of climate change and plastic pollution. We can also choose to ride bicycles or carpool. We're not just saving on gas, we're also helping to slow down carbon emissions. And let's not forget about plastics. By opting for reusable bags